we are coming to you today to have a backyard field day.
It's gonna be epic.
By ourselves. So
1v1, fight to the death.
While the baby is napping. So I'm gonna start by taking you guys through how we built this backyard field day. What are the obstacles and challenges ahead, and then of course we will be trying to film our actual races along the way.
It's 7+ epic events that'll challenge mobility, strength, balance,
What he said.
cross-dressing.
Okay, so first up, we are going to have a bit of a treasure hunt today. So we each chose 3 objects that we plan on hiding around the house for the day. We will each lock ourselves in the bathroom, giving the other person 3 to 5 minutes to hide the objects inside or outside. And then at any point today, we have to find them. Whoever finds them the fastest obviously wins.
It's like the golden snitch.
Obstacle number 2 is going to be at the end. It is going to be a dance and contest. So basically, he is going to start off with a dance move, robot, whatever, and then I will have to copy that dance move and add on to it with the wiggle worm or whatever. And then he will have to do the robot, the wiggle worm, and add on to that until the first person messes up, and that will be the loser of the competition. And then obviously you can't have a backyard field day without an epic relay race. So that's what we have been setting up today. Part 1 of our relay race, go get the clothes, is gonna be
They're right here too.
Part 1 of the field day is we have each chosen 4 items of clothing from our own closet for the other person to wear. So starting with it, which is why I'm in a bathing suit, because I will be getting dressed in this very hot clothes in this South Florida heat. So,
And I'll be getting my best look on.
so we will be starting over here, and this is where we will be putting on our cross-dressing wear. Once you are fully dressed, you will run over to the baskets. We don't have jump skips, so we're using baskets to dictate a jumping diagonal course. From there, you will come over here and you will grab an egg. Place your egg on the spoon. Very carefully, you will take the egg and go ahead and crawl under. You can't touch the rope. If you touch the rope, you have to restart.
No!
Yes.
I'm too big!
Crawl under. Once you are under with your egg intact, you will continue running. You will drop your egg off to the side once you've reached the yoga mats, at which point you will pick up a yoga mat, place your forehead on the top of the mat, and spin around 10 times. We're using yoga mats because we don't have baseballs. You will try not to fall, keeping your balance intact. Once you reach the planter, you will hit a hard left, at which point you will come over to the tossing station. Grab your tennis balls, tossing them into the baskets. You have to get all 3 balls in.
No way!
You have to get at least 2 balls in. From there, you will come over to this station. You will grab a paper cup of water. It's half full of water. You will lay down on the floor, placing the cup of water on your forehead, and then you will have to try to go from laying down to sitting up without using your hands or spilling any water. After that, you will come over to the table, you'll dump out your cup of water, you will do some flip cup. Once your cup has been fully flipped, you will chug a glass of water. You will then chug a glass of water while doing bicep curls on one leg.
Alexa, give us a 5-second countdown. cup! You didn't flip cup! What? That's not how it goes! Ah! It's alright, I caught up!
I won very quick. I took such a hard hit. How do you feel?
Like a princess! It was rigged from the start!
He cheated the entire way through.
It was rigged from the start!
We watched the
She
footage.
threw my whole game off!
He didn't spend 10 times. What else did you cheat on? Oh, his butt touched the wire. What else did you cheat on?
I didn't do the balls.
You didn't do the balls. Did you even sit upright?
Yeah, I did that.
Okay. Anyway, I'm the victor of this part of the challenge.
But it all comes down to the golden snitch.
Treasure hunt and the dance and off.
Yes, heavily weighted categories.